My name is Marcia Bradley, and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and I'm also an education technician for Basic Hair Care product line. Today, I'm coming to you to talk to you about one of our 5 systems, and it is the Boost Conditioning Treatment System. With this system, it can be used on transitioning hair, color-treated hair, relaxed hair, and any type of hair in between. The main thing that you want to keep in mind is that before beginning any service on a client, you want to have a very informed consultation. It doesn't matter if that client comes to you every week, every 2 weeks, once a month, or if it's a new client who's just walked in and has some concerns and desires for their hair. The best thing for you to do is to take the time to have that consultation to ensure that your results are optimum and they are happy and you're happy at the end of the service. So today I'm going to step you through each one of the steps for the Boost Conditioning Treatment System and also give you a few tips in between. So hold tight and listen up. So the first thing you want to do, as I said, is have a consultation with your client, and you want to check for the porosity, density, and any type of textures that the client may have on their head. Now, I say textures because sometimes clients have multiple textures on one head. That's fine. That's why we're professionals. We know how to determine what's best for that client with those multiple textures of hair. So no need to worry about that. The next thing you want to do is check the client's elasticity. The elasticity is important to know because you want to ensure that the client's going to be receiving the style or the results that they're asking for. With Boost, you don't get not too much of an elongation on the curl pattern, but you do get a definition of the curl pattern if they so desire to wear it in a natural style. So it's important to know if that client wants that type of look or if they're going for something a little more permanent and prefer a more elongated look or style for their texture. Once you've completed that part of the consultation, then you can look into or ask the client exactly what their lifestyle is. Are they very active? Will they be, perspiring a lot? Will they be swimming? It's going to be, a lot of wash and go styles. What type of look are they looking for? And how can you accommodate them with that with the Boost Conditioning Treatment System? Next, you want to go ahead and test the hair for any type of product buildup or anything that may be a barrier between what you're trying to do for that client and what's currently on the hair shaft. You want to make sure that the hair shaft is going to be cleansed properly and treated properly during the course of giving them the Boost Conditioning Treatment System. So once you've got that out of the way and you're ready to go, and the client decides, yes, this is something I'm looking for. I may want to do a wash and go look, or I may want to rock even a straightened style, but just for a temporary period of time. And the reason why I say that is because the Boost Conditioning Maintenance is going to be between 1 to 3 shampoos in the duration of how long it lasts for the hair. So if the client's looking for something along that lines, then you're ready to go. So you want to take your client, after draped of course, to the shampoo bowl. Now we recommend that you go ahead and begin with the Boost Sulfate-Free Shampoo. The Boost Sulfate-Free Shampoo is going to immediately give the hair protein and hydration once you begin to shampoo. And we recommend that you shampoo with this for about 2 minutes. In shampooing, you're going to feel that the hair is already receiving the protein and the nutrients that the hair needs to give it that volume and ultimate shine and that elasticity that the hair needs in order to perform well. And now in the Boost Sulfate-Free Shampoo, we find that one of the main ingredients in this product is quinoa. Quinoa is also called a health food, and it can be found in several other products that we have. One of the other products is going to be the actual Boost Conditioning Treatment that we'll talk about in just a moment. So once you've got your client shampooed, and you want to shampoo them 1 to 2 times to ensure that the hair, one, is clean and that you have gone through the hair shafts and gone through each part of the sections of the hair while they're at the shampoo bowl, get it fully saturated, really get in there. No, you don't want to agitate the scalp, but you do want to get in there and get that scalp nice and clean and the hair very soft and malleable so that you can perform the service that they're asking for today. Next, you'll go in once they're rinsed with the Boost Rapid Restoration Conditioner. Now, I love this conditioner because it immediately gives you the protein and hydration into the hair that it needs to perform for best results with the Boost Conditioning Treatment System. You can go ahead and condition the hair for up to 2 minutes and rinse and towel block them. Now, if you do find that the client maybe is a little more dry than what you feel is going to give you the best results, then certainly you can use it for a deep conditioning program, and with that you can go up to 15 to 20 minutes with a processing cap and place them under a hooded dryer or a steamer, and then of course rinse them, towel block them dry, and then bring them back to the chair for their continued service. The next thing you want to do is something that we recommend for all of our services, and that is to add the leave-in conditioner. Now, I love the Mega Moisture leave-in conditioner for clients who are, tend to be drier than most clients or tend to have that wash and go look, which can be a little drier on the hair. So if they do need this, then certainly you go ahead and you want to saturate the hair throughout, and then you want to finger through and comb through the leave-in conditioner. If their porosity is fairly normal and their dryness is not quite as bad as what I'm talking about, then you can certainly go in with the regular leave-in conditioner. Now, you notice there is a difference in the two sizes, and the reason for that is because as professionals, we are able to get the 32-ounce size for any of the products, or we can go in with just the regular 8-ounce, or for this one, the 8-ounce size, and this is good for just using it to spray on, but certainly if you need refill, you can use the 32-ounce size for that. So once you have the leave-in conditioner sprayed in and you've combed it through, then you want to go in with the fourth and final product that is used in the conditioning treatment program, and that is the Boost Conditioning Treatment. This can be used in a myriad of things. You can use this product for, of course, the Boost treatment system, or you can also use it following a relaxer, and you can also use it on weaves, or as we say, commercially installed hair. This product, as I said before, does contain quinoa, which is a health food, and it does contain 8 of the 19 amino acids that are found in our hair. So of course, you're immediately getting back proteins that are needed for the hair to perform just in the best way possible. So once you've also combed through the Boost and you want to make sure that you lightly spray it, I recommend that you part the hair in 4 sections and spray once on each section, and that way you're not getting an oversaturation of the Boost, because of course too much protein will cause the hair to have a dried feel and you won't get the results that you're looking for. So you comb through, and then what do? You style as desired. So with Boost, you don't have to seal it in with a flat iron. You can actually have a wash and go look. If the client wants a twist out, that's certainly an option. They can have a twist out and use one of our other products, such as the Mega Moisture set, which I love. It's like a lemon meringue pie on the hair, or you can go in with a stronger set like the setting lotion, or something in between, even if that's more what you're looking for, like the enhancing cream or defining gel, and place them under the dryer. Allow them to dry for the allotted time according to the hair's density and porosity, of course, and then they're ready to go once you're done with the styling. Now, some of the benefits about the Boost treatment, I can tell you, it immediately gives the hair a stronger feel. It immediately repairs the hair, rejuvenates, and it gives the hair a natural luster because you're replacing that hair with the protein that's needed. So without protein, think about it. It's going to be a little dry, a little dull, a little brittle. Even more so, you may find where clients come in with shedding and they're having all types of skin and scalp issues. With Boost, it gives them the opportunity to replenish that hair with the protein that's needed and moisture at the same time. And that's exactly what the hair needs to perform to its best. And so I definitely recommend, and I hope that you understand that Boost is a wonderful option for your clients and for yourself as well. So thank you again.